Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 screen that won't rotate. By now, most users apply the portrait orientation lock option quite often. With it turned on, it'll keep the screen fixed in portrait mode. With it turned off, the screen will auto-rotate to be in either portrait or landscape mode based on the angle. You can quickly access this feature in the control center by tapping the lock and arrow icon. However, many users get troubled when an iPhone 15 won't rotate and lock is off. The screen remains stuck in portrait mode and won't go landscape when turned sideways. If you're facing a similar issue with auto rotation not working, you've come to the right place. We'll discuss several troubleshooting steps you can follow to get your screen rotating again. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start. Step 1. Toggle on and off the portrait orientation lock. Let's start with a basic solution. This helps remove the rotation lag and refresh the orientation configuration. Alright, first, take off the case and screen protector as they could interfere with the accelerometer. Then, swipe up from the top right corner to open the control center. Locate the screen rotation lock icon, a circular arrow with a padlock in the middle. Enable this feature, which should be colored in and highlighted. A few seconds later, tap it again to turn off the rotation lock. A notification saying Portrait Orientation Lock Off will appear at the top of the screen. Now, set down your iPhone 15 on its side and tilt the angle to see if the screen auto-rotates. Step 2. Verify if the app supports screen rotation. If you find an iPhone 15 screen isn't rotating in one specific app, it may not support rotation. Contact the app developer or customer service and verify whether the app is designed to adapt seamlessly to various orientations. If not, the iPhone 15 won't rotate the app screen, regardless of how it's physically held or tilted. In such cases, the device's rotation should work properly. You can try rotating the home screen and other apps like Calculator or Safari and they will work in multiple orientations. Step 3. Check if the iPhone 15 detects orientation changes. Gyroscope and accelerometer are the key internal parts in your iPhone 15 for detecting changes in orientation, allowing the screen to rotate either vertically or horizontally. To test if they are working well, open the built-in Measure app. Make sure you're at the Level tab. Then, tilt your iPhone 15 screen. If the angle can change according to how you adjust, then it indicates that the sensors are able to detect motion and orientation correctly. Then, attempt the following steps to fix iPhone 15 screen not rotating by solving the software-related issues. Step 4. Set display zoom to default. Is your iPhone 15 in zoomed mode, where text labels and icons are larger than usual? If you are, it will stop the iPhone screen from rotating. To allow the home screen to change the screen to landscape mode, you have to go back to the standard display zoom. Here's how to do it. Go to the Settings app. Navigate to Display and Brightness. Scroll down to the bottom and tap Display Zoom. Next, tick the default option. Alright, try rotating your iPhone 15 again. The screen should auto-rotate when you change the position of the phone. Step 5. Turn on compass calibration. This trick comes from the forum, where some users test it and find it useful to refresh the screen orientation. You can give it a try. Go to Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Choose Location Services. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on System Services. Locate the compass calibration option and make sure it's enabled. Test if auto rotation starts working on your iPhone 15. Step 6. Disable Use True North feature. This feature may sometimes block screen rotation. Try to temporarily toggle it off and test the rotation. Head to Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Find and tap Compass. Next, locate the Use True North feature. If it's enabled, switch it off to recalibrate the sensors. Step 7. Do a normal reboot. A simple restart is also a potential fix when the iPhone 15 is not rotating and the screen gets stuck in one orientation. To reboot your iPhone 15, press and hold down one of the volume keys and the side key. When a red slider appears on screen, move it and the device will power down. Then, press and hold the side key until your phone restarts. These instructions can apply to iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro or iPhone 15 Pro Max. If the iPhone 15 screen doesn't rotate because it freezes up, try doing a forced restart to unfreeze the display. Step 8. Download and install the latest iOS. Grab your iPhone 15, plug it into a power source and have it linked to Wi-Fi. Then, open the Settings app and select General. Tap on Software Update, then it'll start looking for new software. If an update is found, just tap the button to download and install it to fix iPhone 15 screen rotation not working. Step 9. Restore all settings back to default values. To avoid unknown setting conflicts from affecting screen orientation, it's best to revert all settings to their original defaults. Follow these steps and remember to check if you can get the iPhone 15 screen to rotate back. Launch the Settings app and navigate to General. Go to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset all settings and confirm your action. After the reset, put down your iPhone 15 sideways on the desk and you should notice it rotating the screen horizontally. Step 10. Inspect iPhone 15's internal part. If nothing works to re-enable screen rotation, there might be a hardware fault. The sensors on your iPhone 15, such as the accelerometer or gyroscope, might be broken and fail to track the device's movement in real time. This could happen if you've ever dropped the device on the floor a few times. The fastest and safest way is to take your iPhone 15 to an authorized Apple service shop to have it checked and tested. That's all for how to fix a screen that won't rotate on iPhone 15. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.